Alright guys, welcome back. Let's get right into it. Market open Wednesday. Let's get it. Recording? Yep, it is recording. Now, alright guys, so like I said, remember when I posted the CPI report data? Remember, CPI tends to pump up or dump hard. It pumps a lot or it dumps hard. In this case it pumped. It means the consumer price index was looking good. So, and as I said, it typically tends to have retracements, like deep retracements. It doesn't typically go like it bounces off a zone and then it continues. CPI has this weird tendency to, when it either pumps or dumps, it retraces back at the data open. So at open, I would expect some type of dump through VWAP. But right now the play would be, we're at the pivot, we retested the VWAP, we're at these key levels right now, and we're in this overall range. So as you can see, 1 minute chart, we got a range, the 160s and 190s. So these are key levels. So what I want to see happen is we rip up at open, we retest the 90s and rip to the 200s, or we dump to the 60s, retest the 60s and dump forward. That's the overall play I want to see happen. We bumped it up to 4 micros. Let's get it. We are up from the CPI, we're up $75, but I would aim for another $150, bringing us up to like maybe literally $200 in a single day. So let's get it. 2 minutes left. We're dumping. We seem like we want to crack through VWAP. ES still above the VWAP. Retested this pivot and let's see what happens. QQQ making a gap to the downside. Nasdaq seems that it wants to retrace the previous. Seems like I said. It seems that it wants to go at the low of the data candle, which was 1430. This was the data. This was the data candle. This is the data candle, and typically the range would literally be the top and the bottom. So let's see. This looks good for a dump and then a retest and then continuation. That'll be sick. Let's see what we have in terms of. Yeah, we have some probably liquidity and resistance and support down here and down here. Or maybe we can go down to that 21,071 pivot point. I'll also make a recap and a video about Apex and how the trailing drawdown works and the payout rules. So stick around for that. So if you want to get bullish, you gotta get above that 90 level and through the 200s. And rip up there possibly to the high of day. The low of day is in the hundreds. So the way I see, I think I will plan to hold on my trades for a little longer today. I want to make some more profit. I want to make a little bit more profit than average. So we're gonna try that. 15 seconds and the market opens. Let's go. Let's see. Okay, we're dumping. Back up to the VWAP. Tested the bottom of the range here, like this. 57s. Swept the wick here, swept the bottom of the range, and let's see if we can go back up to the top of the range. Would be sick. Back above the VWAP. The ES is in a tight little range here, like it looks like a bear flag. Got a gap to fill on the QQQ, tiny gap. As you can see, we're filling it. We just filled the gap. Nice. We remove the line. We don't need it anymore. Yeah, there you go. There you go. retest the view up, go back up higher. Let's see. Retest the 65s. I'm gonna bump it down to 3, lower the risk, average down, not be greedy. Maybe we have in mind to overall get that. Okay, it doesn't want to. So it's chop, it's in a range, it's clearly in a range. We're at this pivot as well, so tight range. Wow. Okay, there's a dump. So what I want to see happen is maybe dump down there 40 level, retest the 60s and maybe continue. But yeah, right now we're just sitting idle, man. And this, it is a, look at this hourly range, by the way. This is a quite literal hourly range and we're literally in the middle of it. Get back above. Nah, hold up, people. We're gonna wait for this bad boy to do something, okay? Let's wait. Let me see, check the volume here on the Nasdaq. Current volume is 111k, not bad. We're above the view up on both things, but right now we're chopping view up. So it can be a very, very nasty spot to even get, like, look at this. Wick, wick, wick. No actual direction. We just swept the 50s and ripped back up. Until we get above, like I said, that 80 to 85 area, through the hundreds into the 200s, I don't think it's worth doing anything. Let's be patient. I'll keep flipping in between those charts to see the ES starts ripping. Maybe we get above that 20 area. Yeah, pure chop, bruh. Holy. Wow. Yeah, no, this is no joke right here, guys. This is no joke. Okay, I think getting above that 80 area would be a key level to go through. As you can see, there's this kind of like downtrendy action, you know. It's not really a bull flag at this point. It's like very trendy to the downside and it makes a trend line like this. It typically breaks this type of structure. It's not like the ES. The ES actually has a bear flag going on like this. It's more likely to break to the downside than to rip to the upside. But this looks like it wants to go to that 80 area into the 90s. So let's be patient for that. This is key level for resistance. So I'd say if we go through it, we want to see a retest into the 90s and go through the 200s, up there further, 210s, 20, 30. Let's see if we get it. See if the market actually gifts us this amazing setup so we can capitalize on it. Or will it just shut up until 30 minutes later and after I go away it just magically starts to go higher? Can you take me higher? Okay, no. We're literally doing nothing, man. This is disgusting. Oof. Oof. I'm glad I didn't partake into this overall, I don't know. I'm glad I didn't partake in this action because it literally made no sense. it literally made no sense as to why I would get short in this place. It's news, it's literally news data, and there is nobody knows what the news or what the report will be. So it's technically a gamble. Let's be patient, wait for something to happen. Like maybe now, this candle looks good, yeah? Go ahead. Keep it going, bro, don't get stuck. There we go, through the 80s, there we go. At last, through the fucking 80s. Damn, bro, what? Yeah, obviously it retraces back now. Wow. Disgusting little crap. Looks like a bear flag on the... Seeing it like this, it looks like almost a bear flag, to be honest. $84s, there we go. 50s again. Oh man. Goddamn. Okay, there we go. 40s, like we talked about. Let it do its thing. There's no point in getting long or short here, either way. We wicked. We probably took all the stops that were above this level for the shorts. We took all the stops, we ran through those stops, and now probably we're gonna do something here. I'm gonna get short here. Stop maybe into the 60s. Stopped out. It's fine. I'll also make a video about explaining the importance of a stop loss. Okay, retest the 60s, retest the VWAP. I think we can jump in short at the next candle. Unless we start to freaking... I'm gonna get short right here. Put my stop again and look for this 35 level to get swept. I'm gonna move my stop to break even. Right now, leave it at break even, let it do its thing. And get that 35 level swept over. Go back to the low of that data candle. Looking good. Crack through the 40s. Crack through the 40s, go down there 35s, take me out 35s. Come on, bro. Move my stop down there 51s. $38s, low down there, 38s, come on. Okay, 36, up $36. Not bad. I don't think I think the price action is quite choppy to the downside. Happy with that. I think 30, 35, $36. That's fine. It's not bad for 3 micros. Okay. Let's see. Can we get something here? Let's study the charts a little bit. Too many wicks to the downside, so I'll stay out of it for now. I just don't like the fact that there's wick. Let's see if we can make something happen. Let's see if the market will indeed... Okay, there's the view up again. Will it get stuck? Will we get stuck again? Stuck at the 60s again? Look at this. This is disgusting. Whoa. We're already at 4 trades. Let's be very careful. I'm willing to take another good trade. But the truth is, if I get stopped out on the other one, I'll just take whatever I have and I'll leave. We need a break of structure. Guys, we need a break of structure. Look at this. There's this overall level to the downside here, like this. We need a break. Yeah, we need something, guys. There's the previous resistance. Break for the 70s. Maybe get a long opportunity. Wait for it to get above the 90s. This is the 15-minute candle right here. We need a setup above the 90s, up there to the 200 area. 200 area is key level, boys. Let's not rush into anything. God damn, so many. A lot of like break-even trades happen today. One of those days, eh? By the way, tomorrow, guys, we have PPI report. PPI report. Let me show you guys. Financial Juice. Go on Financial Juice for your news feed is the best there is right now in terms of if you want to trade futures. So go check them out, financialjuice.com. Tomorrow 14:30 again, we got very important news. US core PPI month on month, year to year. Initial jobless claims, continued jobless claims. And a lot of action this week, but I don't know if we're gonna get it today specifically. Okay, this looks a little bit better in terms of like pushing up, but damn, bro, this literally came down to like 38s. Oh my god. We need to push into the 80s, like 95s, retest this area of 90.85 and push up higher. Or maybe right now we can dump back down into the 65s, like resistance right here. Prior resistance, turn that into support and rip up higher perhaps. That would be a good play. That would be an awesome play. The way these candles look is like it can pull back and then push up higher. Goddamn. We are pretty much at 4 trades, which is not bad. It's 50-50 trades, as you can see, but I think we can catch some good ones as well if we are patient. 65s down here. $65s. There it is, 65s. A little bit deeper. There it is. See what happens when this candle closes. If we're literally gonna keep dumping or... Oof. There it is, 65, 64s. If we can turn that area into support, would be great. If we dump below the 60s, then it's not good. '70 area. This boy wants lower. Might get short. Whoa, okay, no. Okay. Very tricky day. It's not clear what it wants to do. I might just walk away, take the 36 freaking dollars, to be honest. Wow. I mean, wow. Good lord. Good lord. Maybe this is a fake out. Let's see. I'm gonna try a long here for push up there into the 81s. Stop 10 points away. The wicks are brutal, look at this. Might get stopped out. There we go, stopped out. We're fine, we're down just 28 bucks. On the day we're down 28 bucks, so that's completely fine. And there it is, I mean 5 trades. Not bad. Let's see the data. The commissions kind of are annoying right now because we took a lot of break-even trades. Break-even trades take commissions and slippage. And so they stack up, you're like pretty much, yeah. This price action, guys, this price action is the most annoying thing you can possibly have in trading. See if we snap the 40s. Let's get out of this mess first things first. We have to get out of this stupid mess and maybe retest the 40s again, because this is where we initially bounced out of. So let's see if we can sweep into the 25s, then come back into the 40s. I'd like to see that play happen. Okay, we're just gonna drag this down there. 40s, there you go. Oops. Okay. By far one of the worst possible thing. We are officially 20 minutes in. Maybe gonna put the sell limit up there with a stop within the 48s. Oh God. Oh God. Well, let some continuation happen. Oh my God. Oh, that's oof. That is ugly stuff. Okay, we're just down 35. We lost 35 on this trade, and now I think nope. We're still looking good. We're still rocking the game, but I think, wow, you gotta love it. This is just, wow. We are down quite a bit of money. We're not down much. We're down only $84, which is extremely acceptable considering we didn't lose more than we initially planned to. So we stayed disciplined. Is he gonna? Nah, hold up a second. We need to get, at this point I don't even know. We need to get above that 80 area, bro. I mean, this stuff is just not normal. We swept the prior data low. We had some lows here into the 15s, but Jesus. Jesus, guys. Jesus. How many trades? 7 trades? 7 trades? How is it 7? Oh yeah. Holy smokes. Holy smokes. I will also make a video about the importance of a stop loss, like I said, and I will explain in detail how many benefits a stop loss actually has. See if I can get shorts for a little break. 42s. There it goes. Move it up there, 40s. What was that? Nope, still nothing. 100 down $115. Remember, our daily loss is about $200. Our personal daily loss limit. So we're still rocking and rolling right now. The fact that we literally smoked, the fact that we didn't sweep this lower to go into the hundreds, it really tells a lot about the fact that it's an hourly chop. We found support down here, 22s. There it is, view up again. Good lord. Six more minutes, guys, and I'm getting out. This price action is bullshit. I'm gonna leave and get my ass on the hourly chart right now. I'm just gonna leave. Yeah, no. What is this? See, this is exactly what I'm talking about. Sideways downside chop. This is the downside chop. It clearly goes down. The price is clearly like from 180s all the way to 124s. We went down 60 points, but it is just impossible to trade. There's nothing you can do. Like wick. That's it. The chop after the data, the initial data outcome is insane. Let's see how the ES is doing. ES has had a way clearer setup. Like you got long here, you stopped here, you got stopped out on this setup, but you later on could have got short here at the 16s for a good dump in there into the 06s. Close the gap on the SPY. I mean, this is a joke. Let's see. Can I grab another? Can I get a short this time for a dump into the hundreds? Can I? Please. Or will you chop me up again? It will chop me up again, wouldn't it? Isn't it? My target would be down there somewhere into the 05s if I were to take it off, but I mean, this is a good setup to take short normally. 43 stop. Let's see. Do we finally get something? Put it up there. 42s. Yep, getting chopped up. Right? Getting chopped up, isn't it? That's what you're gonna do? I think that will do it. Yeah, it will do it. Obviously. Down 174. We have $30 wiggle room before I'm officially forbidden to stop trading. We're still up and running 168, so we're good. We're not even close to busting the account, which is great. Pwah! Disgusting. What the frick? That is utterly disgusting. Oh my goodness. There's just nothing. It just takes your money left and right. And this is exactly the days where your daily loss limit or your risk tolerance has to be kept in check, like strictly, guys. You cannot afford to play bullshit on days like this. I mean, look at this. You can't make this stuff up. Wow. Disgusting. Wick after wick. Oh my god. This is making me sick to watch. Now it will break, but I just don't want to go in anymore. I mean, it's disgusting. There we go. We're finally in the 30-minute mark. In a few minutes I'll take my stuff and leave. I'll take the red and I'll leave. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What? How can you make this stuff up, bro? How? Look at that. Now it literally goes to my target. Oh my god. We swept these wicks, as you can see. Swept liquidity. we swept these lows here at the 114s. Low of the candle 106. Wow, no. Got some gaps unfilled from the last week. Oh my goodness, oh my god. Okay, maybe this time we're out, we're stopping with the shenanigans and we can finally get a move down. I'll take my last short probably. If we can possibly break it. This is some nasty shenanigans right here, boys. This is yeah, no, this is one of those death days. $174 loss. It's not bad, I mean, not bad. I'm gonna try my last short. My last short and I'm out. Because I don't, I'm tired of this trash. I'm gonna come back tomorrow when there's way better action. To make some more money. Come on, break it or stop me out already, just. Okay, finally moving. We'll maybe add into the push towards the downside. Gonna leave it at break even. Let it do its thing here. Buy limit into the see if we can even get a flush. I'm gonna take off 2. There we go, the hundreds. Move my stop into the 14s. Hold up. Keep it into the 18s here. 14s. There we go. There we go. That's it. That's it, guys. I mean, come on, guys. $145. That's it. That was the short. That was the initial. That was the thing that I wanted to see. That was the setup that I wanted to see. If we test the 30s and then I can get short peaceful here. Take it off into 95s. Cut the orders down. Bump it up, back up to 3. Exit all positions. We're just down $32. I mean, you can't make this stuff up. Finally, 10 trades, a bit too much trading if you ask me. But from my opinion, I believe, and I took it like at the bottom, good lord. That was a great short. Trade fees and commissions still down $30 because of the fees and commissions. So we're probably, $30 is basically the commissions and fees, but our actual drawdown would technically be $2. Oh my lord, there it is. There it is, guys. Took it off 95s. 90s now. There it goes. There it goes to 90s, 80s. Yeah, always wait for the price action to get out of a chop level. Let's see. I will recap these trades, and I think I will have to see. Let's see. I made a couple mistakes. Getting short here. I mean, this short would have turned into a loss either way, so I'm proud of this. Yeah, okay, yeah, okay, there it is. Fat dump. Obviously. From the 95s. Yeah, sell into the 19s, down there into the 95s. Yeah, for a bunch of points. Let's see, 61s. We bought here. I mean, it technically did not make any sense to buy. This right here was a mistake. Selling here was also a mistake. This is also not normal. It was not well thought. This could have turned into some profit if the stop was all the way up here, but 30-point stop just doesn't make any sense. Ah, shit, crap, hold up. There it is, there's the pivot, 71s. 71s, we literally bottomed out where this overall resistance is at, which is 60s. And now, let's see if we can grab a short from the hundreds. We snapped to the hundreds, turned the hundreds into resistance. That would be a good short. There it goes, there's the hundreds. There's the hundreds. Oh, ones right here, prior resistance, prior support right here on the 15-minute chart. Would be amazing if if we could get that test up there. Would be actually amazing. Now the markets start to now we're getting something out of the market. Now, I mean, come on, Jesus. I'd like to see this push 100s basically. A 101, this is technically the level that we want to see retested. Let's just watch, just wait and see. There it is, 100, 102s. See, will we get another short opportunity? Or is this... There we go, prior resistance here as well. Prior support. Damn, bro. Oh, 10s, there it is. Oh, 10s, get below the hundreds again. If it wants to. The idea is if we push up, I think the optimal entry would be to retest the 27s. Gonna get short right here. Stop. No. Hold up. This can be easily a retest into the hundreds for a bounce higher. This still looks bearish. Still has some bearish feeling to it. 2-minute chart is about to close. The level that we struggled so much on, like the hundreds. Man, this right here is... I mean, you can't make this stuff up. I still think there's opportunity. $100s, there it is. The question is, do we dump from here or do we continue higher? Buy it or sell it. That's either one of these two things will happen at the hundreds. Buy it or sell it. Wow. Oof. Do we buy or sell the hundreds? This can be easily a fake out, guys. This can sucker in some more shorts at the bottom, and then it can easily start to straight up. Straight up. I think if we can manage to push it. Sell some here into the 14s. There we go. Stop at the low of this candle, 89s. I'm ready to kill it. Whenever it's okay. Run up a little bit more in profit. Take it out there into the 12s. I will not get greedy. Just move it to break even. There we go. I don't mind it. Let's see. Yeah, it's fine. Yep, I'm done. we're gonna keep it very low. We're gonna keep the loss very low. We're gonna come back tomorrow, make some more money. $32 loss. It is amazing. The risk management, I think we did an awesome job today. Really good job, just ending up down only $32 on a day where it's supposed to literally take our money and ruin us. Was a great short. I loved this short entry right here. I'm glad that we gave it a little bit more wiggle room. But overall, I believe that we did a great job managing our risk, keeping our loss small, and I think we're gonna walk away now. I'm gonna close these, make sure that all positions are exited, and just take it and leave. And let's come back tomorrow, see what the markets are giving us, and I bet tomorrow there will be more fun stuff to come. So tune in every single day. Take a look at my videos. I believe you will learn a lot, and you will see the different market conditions, what my thought process is. Tune in, let's get to 50 subs, like, subscribe, and let's do it. I'm planning to go live once we get to 50 subs, so let's freaking go. The faster we can get to 50 subs, the better, because then people get to trade with me live on YouTube. So take care of yourselves, guys. Peace out. We'll see you guys tomorrow.